Hello students, today we will start the chapter relation and function, which is common to both commerce stream as well as science stream. In this chapter, for commerce students, the topics are little bit different, but today I will teach the topic common to both applied math students as well as math science students. Now, before starting the term relation, we will go through the basic concept. First is ordered pair. Have you heard the word ordered pair in your previous classes? In class 10th? Do you remember? The ordered pair we have studied in coordinate geometry. What do you mean by ordered pair? Ordered pair is a well-defined pair of objects or elements. Ordered pair object से भी बन सकता है, element से भी बन सकता है. For example, I am taking the ordered pair 2, 3. These are elements. Ordered pair x, y. These are alphabet. If I am taking the ordered pair for two colors, red and blue, that is also ordered pair. That is y, and ordered pair is denoted by single bracket. This thing you know in class 10th. That is ordered pair is well-defined pair of objects or elements. This is your previous knowledge. Now come to first topic, that is Cartesian product. Cartesian product, how we can define it? For defining Cartesian product, I am defining like this. If A and B are any two non-empty sets, what do you mean by no? See, हम non-empty set, void set, null set, non-void set सब पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ा था, उसी का कंटिन्यूएशन है. If A and B are any two non-empty set, then Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A into B is the set xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That means अगर आपके पास दो सेट्स है तो उसका कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बनाते वक्त first element should be from first set and second element should be from second set. Example, I am taking the set A equal to set 2, 3, B equal to set xy. Then A into B is the Cartesian product. For convenience, students used to say cross product, A cross B. Actually, cross product is applicable for the vectors. But if you feel it is convenient, you can say A cross B. But the actual pronunciation is A into B. A into B is 2. First of all, you have to make the first element of first set with the all set elements of second set. It is 2x, 2y. Then second element 3, 3x, 3y. Similarly, I am taking one more example like if A is equal to A, E, I, O, and I am taking the set B is equal to 1, 2. Then Cartesian product of A and B is denoted as A into B is equal to A1. पहले first element से second का सारे लेना है. फिर second से जितने element है सारे element से second set का ordered pair लेना है. A1 next कौन सा होगा? A2. That is first element is over. Second element E. E1, E2. Third I1, I2. You have to use comma after each ordered pair. I2. Last one is O1, O2. Now see how many elements are there. Each ordered in a Cartesian product, each element will be in the form of a ordered pair. Sets में हर element एक single element होता था, लेकिन Cartesian product में हर element ordered pair होगा. Now let us count the total elements of A into B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this, we can derive the number of elements of the Cartesian product A into B if you know the number of elements of the first set as well as the number of element of second set. Here, what is the number of element of first set? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number of element of second set? 1, 2. Then what is the total number of elements of A into B? Just by counting, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How we can get 8? By multiplying these two, that is 4 into 2. This is the formula for finding number of elements of the Cartesian product. That is, if Na equal to M, and NB is equal to N, then NA into B, otherwise NA cross B will contains Mn elements. Now this is the topic related to Cartesian product. Now if I am taking a set, say A, of any set 0, 1, then A into A is known as Cartesian product. Yeah, A cross A, Cartesian product. While this Cartesian product is, again you can say it as set of all, let me go to Cartesian product. But what about A into A? If A is the set 0, 1, then A into A is the Cartesian product of A to A. Then A into A is the set. If you are taking the set as A, B, C, कुछ भी आप ले लीजिए. I am taking set A is equal to A, B, C for convenience. Then A into A, the Cartesian product of A to A. A into A is the set A, B, C such that A, B, C belongs to A. That means इसमें कितना आ रहा है? 3 elements आ रहे हैं और Cartesian product में कितना आ रहा है? 2 element आ रहे हैं. So that A into A is called ordered triplet. Ordered triplet. Triplet means a group of 3. A into A means what? A into A is the set XY, otherwise AB, such that X belongs to A and Y belongs X, Y belongs to A. तो ये हो गया आपका ordered pair और this one is ordered pair and this one is ordered triplet. Now when two ordered pairs are said to be equal ordered pairs, two ordered pairs are said to be equal if the first element is equal as well as second element is also equal. Example, the ordered pair XY is said to be equal to 1, 2. That means you can equate two ordered pair if their first element both are equal or second element also equal. Otherwise 1, 2, 1, 2 is the equal ordered pair. Now how we can see, suppose that you are given a set A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3. I am giving an example, and B is equal to set, I am taking example from NCERT book, and C is the set 4, 5, 6. Now you are asked to find A into B, मतलब A cross A into B intersection C. Again intersection, union of all things related to sets are coming. That is why you must do consistent studies, otherwise the previous topic will get rid of from your mind. A into B cross C you have to find. For that, first what will you do first? First you will find B intersection C. What is B intersection C? You just see and give me B intersection C. B intersection C means what? B is 3, 4, C is 4, 5, 6. इसमें common कौन सा आ रहा है? 4. B intersection C is 4. Now A into B intersection C can be written as, what is A? A is 1, 2, 3. I am giving each and every minute step. You can do it directly also. Into means cross. Which element? B intersection C is 4. Is 4. Now you have to make, this is Cartesian product. Each element is in the form of ordered pair, that is 1, 4, 2, 4. पहले 1 से कर लिया, फिर 2 से कर लिया, फिर 3 से कर लिया. अब आप नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स देखिए. B इंटरसेक्शन C में 1 एलिमेंट, A में कितना था? 3 एलिमेंट्स. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A क्रॉस B कितना हो गया? 3 into 1, that is 3. Now how we can denote? Let me go through it. 1 minute. We have to go through NCERT as well as R.D. Sharma. How we can represent Cartesian product, representation of Cartesian products. Cartesian products को हम कैसे represent करेंगे? First method is we can represent in two-dimensional plane. Two-dimensional plane means 2D, x-axis or y-axis. Second one is by arrow diagram. Now I am taking an example. I am taking set A is equal to set 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to set 4, 5. इसको हम पहले टू डायमेंशनल प्लेन में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे इसमें? सी Na इक्वल टू 3 और Nb इक्वल टू 2. तो टोटल नंबर मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन 6. दैट मीन्स when you find A cross B, A into B, the total number of elements will be the product of number of elements of first set and second set. In this way you can check the number of elements of the cross Cartesian product. Now A into B is 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4 and 3, 5. See? Now let us check the number of elements. 3 into 2, 6. How many elements are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one is we are using 2D plane. In 2D plane में हम horizontal line को क्या लेते थे? X axis लेते थे और vertical line को Y axis लेते थे. तो horizontal line में हम first set का element लिखेंगे 1, 2, 3. ये मैं आपको just information के लिए बोल रही हूँ. बाकी ये क्वेश्चन के मतलब क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इस पैटर्न से कोई क्वेश्चन आने का चांस नहीं है. जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस इज 4, 5. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 1, 4. 1, 4 इज दिस वन. जैसे आप ग्राफ में प्लॉट करते थे वैसा है. जरूर है कि एक्स एक्सिस में फर्स्ट सेट को लेना है, वाई एक्सिस में सेकंड सेट. सेकंड इज 1, 5. 1, 5 इज दिस वन. थर्ड इज 2, 4. 2, 4 इज this one. 2, 5. 2, 5 is this one and like that 3, 4 is here and I'm shifting because the lack of space. 3, 4 again this is 3, 5. In this way in 2D form, in 2D plane you can represent Cartesian product. Next one is arrow diagram. That is important. This you can use in relation as well as function. In arrow diagram what will you do? You will make two circles. First circle will represent set A and second circle will represent set B. Now again we will take another example. I am taking set A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is 4, 5. Then A into B कितने elements होंगे? देखिए 3, 2, 6. पहले आप लिख करके रखिए 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Now we can represent this 1, 4. This is 1, 4. You can arrow means एक arrow लगाना है. 1, 5 is this one. That is the ordered pair related to 1 is over. Next comes the turn of 2. 2, 4. Again 2, 5. 2 का भी काम हो गया. Next which element is coming? 3. 3, 4 and 3, 5. In this way you can denote Cartesian product in by arrow diagram. One method is by using 2D plane. Second one is using arrow diagram. Now I am doing one question. Before that let me ask one question. If you are given two sets A and B, are A into B equal to B into A? Just think and say. A into B में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ए का होगा, सेकेंड एलिमेंट बी का होगा. बी इंटू में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बी का होगा, सेकेंड ए का होगा. इसलिए ए इंटू बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए. नाउ आई एम डूइंग वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम आर.डी. शर्मा. क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड एक्स एंड वाई. फाइंड एक्स एंड वाई इफ यू आर गिवन x plus 3, comma 5 is equal to 6 comma, very simple question, 2x plus y. कैसे करेंगे? If two ordered pairs are equal, their first element will be equal as well as second element will be equal. For finding the value of x, you have to equate x coordinate, that is first element. Second, 5 equal to 2x plus y. See, that means x is equal to 3. Here 2x plus y is equal to, you are given as 5. Now you have to replace the value of x by 3. You will get 5 is equal to 6 plus y. 2 into 3, 6, implies y is equal to minus 1. In this way, if you are given a question regarding two equal ordered pairs, you can find the values of x as well as the value of y.